Property can be used in a variety of ways, from creating a warm, nurturing home to building a multi-million-dollar manufacturing plant. Because property is a finite resource, it comes with inherent value. Many property owners choose to purchase property with the sole purpose of renting it out to earn monthly income. In this class, we'll be talking about just that: real estate as a financial investment. As a rental agent, you'll be handling clients who bring their investment properties to you with the goal of using them as income-generating assets. For this reason, it's important that you understand the basics of real estate investment so that you can best serve your customers. There are three main benefits to investing in real estate: appreciation, or the increase in property value over time; cash flow, or using a property to consistently bring in money over time; and using real estate as a tax shelter. We'll get into each of these and more in this course. Let's begin.